Okay friends, just open your settings application. Go to accessibility from the left. Then select display and text sizes. You can see here. Then select larger text, the second option. You can see here it is turned on. And you can simply drag this button to adjust this one. Okay. Adjust it to which one is your comfort. If you are facing any vision problems or eye problems, you can simply adjust the text size. And in accessibility settings, you can use the maximum level of text size. So in this way, you can simply adjust your text size. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.